82's Farmall 51 here. Looking at a big old Cummins. Yep, it's doing a little cleanup on the farm here, and rented a machine for the week, and it's Lugong or whatever how you say it. I think it's Chinese or something, but anyway, it's you can tell somebody's been running it and beat the. I had to put a bunch of cord on it to get the door to hold shut, but somebody smacked it pretty good. But it's pretty good company to deal with. 922, I was thinking 966 or something. 922E. I think it's a 3-4 year old machine, or older maybe, I don't know. But it's done pretty good. It's got some power. It's not no Caterpillar, no Komatsu, or anything. Like I said, the only thing I've ever run is a Caterpillar or Komatsu. I really like the Komatsus, but I never run a Volvo or anything else like that. But I think I've run a Case before. But I can tell you one thing: I can do some things. I'm not as smooth or as nowhere near as skilled as Let's Dig 18. So don't be too hard on me. So, but yeah, it's I had the controls on here are a little lagging as far as, and I've switched them to the excavator controls, and I think if I'm not mistaken, I think it only has like backhoe and excavator controls, but I'll have to check. But yeah, I'm still not 100% on that. But like I said, I can run a Komatsu or a Caterpillar pretty good, but these two here I cannot. It seems like I can't get it smooth, and I don't think it's so much the controls as it is the joysticks up here. There doesn't seem to operate as smooth as I would like it to. So, but anyway, we'll get started up here in a second. I'll get the GoPro set up. I made me talk to Chris there and some other people, and looked at some ideas. And this is you mount a light onto it, and it come with a bolt up there. But I got this stuck on there pretty good, and I glued it in pretty good. So. But it will stick, and it's on there pretty good. So I feel like it. I've set it up on top here. You'll see some video. I set it too far back. Now all you can see was the top of the cab. So, but we'll get to going here and see if we can tear it up.